Elsewhere, the governors of Delta, Rivers and Akwa Ibom states have ended a closed-door meeting at the Government House, Asaba, aimed at boosting economic activities in the South-South. Dr. Ifanyo Okowa, Mr. Nyesom Wike, and Mr. Udom Emmanuel all agreed that border security and revival of the Braced Commission were foremost to improve development in the area. Established in 2009 with 6 states, Bayelsa, Rivers, Akwa Ibom, Cross River, Edo and Delta. The Braced Commission was to enhance economic cooperation and provide basic infrastructure that seems to be lacking many years after.
We just came together to discuss few economic issues and how we can revive the Braced Commission, and also look at how we can try and fortify security network, because especially now that the oil prices are a little bit epileptic, we need to make sure that we maintain the production. So we're looking at how can we form that unity and see how we can tackle the issue of security to maintain that level of production without necessarily jeopardizing our own responsibilities to our own people. Those are just few issues that we looked at, but mainly the Braced Commission, which is one vision we don't want to abandon. We want to see was actually a very good economic platform for the entire region to look at those areas of common interest economically, so that we can also foster that economic growth in the region.